Hello and welcome. Welcome to your community. I am Tiina Kivinen and thank you for being here. First of all, very happy to hold space in this way and to have you join me. This is a meditation to connect with waxing moon energy, which is also the energy of the spring season. And this meditation and tuning into this energy does not have to be only during the waxing moon or only during the spring, but it can be any time that you feel called to connecting with the energy of growth and nourishment and a gentle sense of momentum. So I love to consider the waxing moon energy and the energy of the spring both as a sort of invitation to explore the natural flourishing energy that is part of nature itself. So life force that is drawn to grow, drawn to evolve, that's moving in a forward direction, but in a gentle and natural way. So we can tune into this in this meditation and welcome this flourishing energy to be present within our own selves. You're welcome to lay down, you're welcome to sit up, whatever feels most comfortable, most inviting for this moment, or maybe there's another position that you feel called to, or maybe even called to let your body move during this experience. You're most welcome to explore what feels most authentic. You might have your eyes closed down and start to connect with your breath. Can you relax the eyes and the jaw, mouth and tongue? Allow your physical body to be open and at ease, whether in movement or in stillness. And start to connect with your breath as you breathe in and out through your nose. Feel the fullness of the inhale expanding the belly and the chest. The release of the exhale, long, slow, and smooth. Feeling the natural waves of your breath, inhaling to expand, exhaling to release. The natural cycles of moon and seasons are alive here within your breath. Each inhale like a rising sun, the exhale, the setting sun. The inhale, the waxing moon. The exhale, the waning moon. The inhale, that growth and life force that bursts forth in the spring. The exhale, the winding down, slowing down of the autumn. The transition points in between each breath. Points of fulfillment, points of stillness and quiet. Continue to be present with your breath as it flows in and out. And with every inhalation, could you welcome a felt sense of flourishing energy? Every exhale, letting yourself soften and relax into this natural felt sense. The inhale, welcoming growth and expansion. Carrying yourself down into stillness in the exhale. As awareness settles into your body, could you welcome whatever is present? Perhaps there are physical sensations to be aware of, or maybe emotional sensations or the felt sense of your nervous system, your energetic field. Noticing whatever you notice without any judgment. And the waxing moon invites us to grow and to evolve, to flourish. So let awareness settle into your heart space, and you might welcome the inquiry of how can you flourish in this life? What is naturally growing or evolving and moving towards fullness? You might feel a natural sort of warmth and energy, or you might see an image that is representing this journey of growth and evolution. Or maybe a word comes in, a word that represents what you are creating or how you are growing or evolving at this time. Let your thinking mind be soft and at ease as you welcome the wisdom that comes from within your own self when you open up to this natural growth and evolution. Continuing to welcome the gentle waves of your breath. Feel how this breath naturally expands on the inhale, naturally releases on the exhale. And just like the breath, our own internal process of growth and evolution is natural. Can let go of the need to strive or push or perform in any way. And simply allow ourselves to be nourished by this momentum that occurs naturally all around us as flowers bloom, as trees buds become leaves, as the sun rises, as the moon waxes towards fullness. There's no need to push or strain to make anything happen. Just as in nature, we too can naturally evolve and flourish through simply being. Continue here to be present with this natural flourishing energy as you take a few more conscious and intentional breaths. You might like to bring a hand to belly and a hand to heart for these breaths. Offering yourself gratitude for being here, for taking this time to tune in to this wisdom of natural cyclical living. Offer yourself thanks and praise. What a blessing it is to be here in this life, to be in this process of growth and change and evolution. And for the next few breaths, could you welcome a heightened state of trust in your journey? Trust that your inner being is moving in a direction that is most nourishing and aligned with your authentic nature. Trust that the behaviors and thoughts and actions and all of the movement forward aligns with this true essence of you. And that as you tune into nature and to cycles like the waxing moon or the spring season, that this tuning in, this aligning with nature will support you in your journey. Bringing your hands together, palm to palm at the heart now as we generate a feeling of peace to offer out to all beings. May all beings live in peace. May all beings be well. May our lives contribute to this for all. Taking a deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. Namaste. Thank you so much, dear community. And you might still be relishing the sweetness of that internal space, or you might be in transition. And I'm so happy to have you here, and I would love to hear from you in the comments. So please let me know where you're practicing from, maybe any intentions that you have this lunar cycle, or anything that feels important or meaningful to share around your process of growth and flourishing and that natural momentum. This is this theme of connecting with cycles and really aligning with the essence of who we are and being supported by natural cycles is really an important part of the work that we do at the School of Living Yoga. The training, Moon to Moon Restorative Yoga Teacher Training, is a deep dive into cyclical living, aligning with natural cycles in a way that enhances self-understanding and enhances our own ability to align more fully with the true essence of ourselves. And of course, restorative yoga uses techniques like mindfulness and meditation, like we were just experiencing in breath connection, as well as the exploration of deeply supportive, nourishing shapes and movements in the body, asanas that help to release tension and help to facilitate a flow of energy, as well as provide health and support on the physical level, as well as the emotional, mental, spiritual, all the levels of the self, all the layers of the self. So Moon to Moon Restorative Yoga Teacher Training is open for enrollment. We have a beautiful global community, and we meet regularly in live calls that are optional to connect in practice, as well as to connect in our journeys through the training. So it really is a deeply supportive practice where bonds are created and friends are made, and really a beautiful experience of connecting globally as well. So if you feel a call to explore this training a little more, you can follow the links below to book a application call, or you can fill out an application online. You're also welcome to reach out with any questions and download the information package. We look forward to connecting more in the spirit of rest and connection with nature. So very much thanks to all of you. So much love, and thank you for being here.